Hey guys, it's Shannon again from 180 Elite Fitness. I'm on the road today. I must have a lot of energy, clearly, because typically I try to crank out maybe 2 videos, but no, I'm giving you a third one. We're gonna hit that back, guys. I just couldn't just walk out the door without trying to do another video for you. I know all you ladies want that nice toned back. Well, we're gonna do that today. Looking at my notes as always. Okay guys, if you have weights, and honestly this workout is going to require you guys to have some weight, anywhere from 5 to 10 pounds. Okay, so pause the video, go downstairs in that basement. A lot of times we throw our clothes on top of our exercise equipment, on top of our weights. Well, dig your weights out of all that stuff and let's get ready to work. Okay, so we're starting off with our wide row. So pick up your heavier weights. All right. Sorry guys, gotta find my timer. And want your chest out, abs in, and begin. So in this position, our butt is back, chest is out, abs are in, knees are bent, we're hinging forward, and we are fighting gravity, so navel to spine, guys. So right now we're concentrating on the upper back. Almost done here. Last one up, and relax. All right, going right into our narrow row. So now palms are facing each other, and let's row. Do not look up, look down, but don't drop the head. Just look down, neutral spine, neutral neck. Try not to arch the back, guys. Just keep a straight back. Abs in. Now we're hitting that mid back, guys. So really squeeze the shoulder blades together. And relax. All right, drop your weight. We're going down to our lighter weights. Going into reverse fly. And begin. Now, if you need, again, to take a moment and pause the video, do that. You notice I'm just going right into them, hitting that back. So, we worked the upper back, the mid back. So now what we're doing is hitting really the back of the shoulders, kind of hitting again that upper back. Abs in. And relax. Okay guys, drop the weight. Move these weights out of my way. And we're gonna go into Superman. But with this Superman, we're gonna lift up and bring the elbows to the smallest part of our waist, and then come down. Let's get ready and begin. Let's go. Lift up. So we're hitting upper back, mid back, and lower back. And the top of the glutes, because it all comes together. We need to have a healthy back. Rest for a moment. Come up. Okay, guys. Going into, so we gotta hit some back. Hit some back. We have to hit our abs. And Russian twist, begin. So right now we're hitting primarily the obliques. Take it up for an extra bit. You know, I always like that challenge. So twist. I want this. I want twist, 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 twist. Almost done. And relax. Last move, we're going into heel touches. Okay, guys, and hit it. Let's go. Heel touch. Still hitting the obliques. We're getting some upper ab action here. Do the very best you can. Come on, let's go. If you want extra difficult work, extra work, hit the inside. Go. Try to get the shoulder blades up off the floor. Let's go. Almost there. And, ooh, that burns. Relax, guys. All right. So, you can do this workout after you finished your HIIT workout. I want you guys to repeat this 3 times, okay? 3 times to me will give you the maximum benefits. If you only have time for 1, then by all means do that. But 3 times will give you the best results. So guys, with that, I'm Shannon of 180 Elite Fitness. Please subscribe, please share, and please like. Whichever order. But have a good day, guys.